What's up, guys? Nana213 here. I'm gonna show you the new Back to the Future 2-pack that came out, for you could be on a lookout for it, and I'm gonna show you it right now. So this is a new 2-pack that came out from Back to the Future from Hot Wheels Premiums. You could check it out. It's a 2-pack from Cow Culture, and check this out. It has the Back to the Future DeLorean Time Machine and the Toyota truck, the 1987 Toyota pickup. These are hitting on the stores, I believe. I found this at Target, and this is the two cars that came out in the movie. In the back side, we have more of the other 2-packs, which I didn't find, but as you guys check it out, take a peek. It is real. It's not AI. People thought it was an AI when they showed it online. Right here we got the details on the DeLorean, which is pretty much like the one you always get, but it's nice to have it on the 2-pack. The Toyota truck. I never had the Toyota truck by itself, but now I got in the 2-pack. It's a nice detail. I mean, I'm not gonna open it in case only if I find another one, I'll open it up. This is the artwork on the card. Check it out. So yeah, guys. So you guys keep an eye on it. You know, it's hitting Targets, Walmarts. So good luck, man. Good luck hunting, and hope you guys find it. There we go.